you tired of carrying around quarters just so you can do your laundry? Me too. Now there's a super easy solution with Laundry Pay, directly from your phone. It's so easy to use. Let me show you. To start, download the free Laundry Pay app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign up for a new account. Enter your full name, email, easy-to-remember password, confirmation, optional birthday, and hit Next. Use the camera to scan the QR code on the laundry machine. Now, enter your credit card or debit card information. Add funds. You're ready to wash. Scan your washing machine, select your temperature, and hit Start. That's it. When you're ready for the dryer, scan the code. Select the minutes that you want. Add more time and even set an alarm. Don't forget to hit Start. Thanks for trying Laundry Pay and joining the new laundry revolution. See you there.